such a privilege today to offer the 21st of June Yoga World Day in Janapuri in Delhi, India. And it was really an honor and privilege to host the yoga here for the students and staff and for Dr. Rani and Dr. Turan. To bring us ourselves back to keep our mind and our body and our soul focused on yoga. So today was really a fantastic and an awesome day to offer Srimad Transformational Yoga in Mother India. I thank you for all that joined us for yoga today. Namaste. Namaste, greetings from Shri Kaya Kalp Medical Institution, Janapuri, Delhi, India. I had the most amazing experience in Ayurveda as a learner to spread the word of Ayurveda medicine, Panchakarma medicine, Panchakarma treatments, nutrition, dietitian, lifestyle, pregnancy, beauty, which is absolutely phenomenal. Ayurveda is a lifestyle, this most amazing natural procedure where we get rid of all the chemicals out there. So I'm going back home with this most amazing knowledge which I have learned at this phenomenal clinic under the supervision and guidance of Dr. Rani Gupta and Dr. Turan.